Hello friends, today we will learn about two-dimensional array. I have already discussed one-dimensional array in previous tutorial. If you have not watched it, I will recommend you to watch it to get more clear concept about one-dimensional array. So today let's start with two-dimensional array, how to declare two-dimensional array for one variable as well as two variable. You can see here I have taken integer type, its dimension and its reference variable x enclosed with semicolon. This is the best way to declare two-dimensional array for one variable. You can also declare like this: int space y enclosed with semicolon. You can see here variable y is mixed with its dimension. It may create some confusion. That's why first one is the best way to declare two-dimensional array for one variable. You can also declare in various way, but first one is the most recommended. So let's start with two variable. How to declare two-dimensional array with two variable. Dimension a comma b, comma. This is the best way to declare two-dimensional array for two variable. You can also declare like this: int x dimension comma y dimension semicolon. You can also declare it like this. So it's all about declaration part. Let's come to the creation part. How to create two-dimensional array. Int dimension reference variable x equal to new. By using new operator, I will create two-dimensional array. Int, because array is an object in Java, so every object is created in Java by using new operator. Now int dimension reference variable x equal to new int its dimension. At the time of creation, I am going to create two-dimensional array. So at the time of creation, we have to, it is compulsory to specify some size. So specify, otherwise you will get compile time error. You can see here, suppose I am not specifying any size. Now you can see here one red cross mark. It is invalid. It means it is invalid. It is showing one compile time error. So you have to specify some size at the time of creation of an array. So let's specify 2 and 3. So the first dimension, which contains 2, is the base array, and second dimension, which contains 3, is the child array. So let's explore it. You can see here same thing I have written here: int two-dimensional reference variable x equal to new int its base. You can see here this one is the base size, base array, and this one is the child array. And memory representation, how to represent in JVM, how it takes memory in JVM. It takes like this. First array size is 2, so index starts with 0 and 1. So 1 and 2, its size is 2, its base size, base array. And child size, I have specified 3, size 3. So for 0th index, its size is 3, 0 1 2, 1 2 3, and again for first 1 2 3. Say supposing I have taken 3 and 4, so base size is 3, 0 1 2 3 1 2 3, and its child size is 4. So for every index it will create of its size 4, 0 1 2 3 4, and here also 4. So let's move on one another concept. Here you can see here in the first case I have not specified any size to its base. That's why it is invalid, because in Java it is compulsory to specify its base size. If you will not specify any base size, then you will get compile time error, and it will not allow to run your program or compile your program. So you have to specify base size. It is compulsory. Now in second case, you can see here in second case int new, and you can see here I have specified base size, but I have not specified any child size. So it is valid because it is compulsory to specify base size, but child size it is not compulsory. You can take it as per your requirement. If you need it, then you can specify. Like this I have specified like this. First I have taken base size 2, so it is base index, base array index 0 1. Then after that I have created its child size as per my requirement. That's why I have taken here x of 0, here 0 index, it represents x of 0, 0 index. Here variable, reference variable x. So x of 0 represents this, and I have taken size, its child size 2, 0 1, and its first index, for first index I have created size 3, 0 1 2 3. You can see here x of 1, I have created size 3 for its child 0 1 2. So it's all about creation. The most important point to be noted: first, base size must be created, must be specified, and second point, after that, as per your requirement, you can specify its child size. So now you can see here it is valid. If you suppose if you will not specify its base size, three and close with semicolon, then you can see here red cross mark, it means it is invalid. So you have to specify its base size, it is compulsory. Now in second case you can see here int reference variable y, new int 4, let's take 4, then its child, let's take nothing, then semicolon. Now you can see here this one is valid, perfectly valid, because you can see here there is no red cross mark in this line. It means it is perfectly valid. Now you can create as per your requirement for its child size. Now this is all about creation of two-dimensional array. Let's move to the initialization. How to initialize two-dimensional array. I have taken base size 2. It means index 0 and 1. Base size 2, it means index 0 and 1. And for this I will create its child size. X of 0 equal to new int its child size. Let's take 3 for 0 index, and for second 1 equal to new int, let's take 4. This one is also a part of creation. Now let's come to the initialization. How to initialize? I can initialize here x of 0 and again 0 equal to 10. Let's take 10. Private semicolon. Then x of 1, x of 0, then 1 equal to 20, x of 0, 2 equal to 30. Now you can see here x of 0, 0 is represents 10. What it means, you can see here. Its child, supposing its base size is 2. Now it's x1, this is x0, x0 represents this one, and x of 0, consider x of 0. X of 0 represents this cell, and I have taken the value of this cell is 10. So it's inside this value is 10, and x of 0, x of 1, this one is x of 1. It represents 20. And x of 0, x of 2 represent 30. It means inside this I have taken 10, inside this I have taken 20, inside this I have taken 30. So this is initialization, how we initialize two-dimensional array, how we initialize the element. You can see here. Now you can print x of 0 0. It will print 10. You can see here I am going to run this program. Now you can see here 10. So like this we can initialize two-dimensional array. So thank you friend for watching this. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Then we will meet in next tutorial. So please subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.